Today we will do spelling. Like in the last lesson we did spelling I, E and EI. I before E, never before C, and EI. Where IE will come and where EI would come. Right? Now today we will be looking at the another set of suffixes, that is able and able. ABLE, IBLE. There are some set of rules, rule of thumb. Words that end with E, that E gets dropped and it will take an able, ABLE. Words that do not end with E, IBLE will be used. One rule. Clear? Okay. Words that end with A or E, sorry, E will go away and it becomes able. Words that end with other than E, IBLE, most of the times. Okay, when the base word is ending with able, it is very easily identifiable, like adapt, adaptable, bear, bearable. But there are exceptions. Words that end with E, debate, there E gets dropped and debatable, ABLE. Adore, ADORE, E gets dropped and adorable. Now we'll look at the exercises. Okay? Able and able. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Page 116. Complete the following words using the suffixes able or able. First one, permiss.
Able.
IBLE. Permit, permissible.
Permissible.
Second one, bear.
Bearable. Able.
Bearable. Correct. BEARABLE. Third, break.
Breakable.
ABLE, breakable. Fourth one, odd, audio. Audible. IBLE. IBLE. So, is my audio audible? Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
In that, IBLE. Next one, collapse.
Collapsible.
Collapse.
IBLE.
Collapsible. IBLE. Collapsible. Okay, this is a different rule. Move. Movable. ABLE. E goes off and instead of E, ABLE comes. Illege. Illegible. IBLE. Advise. Advisable. ABLE. Accept.
Acceptable.
ABLE. Accept. A T will go and ABLE. Response.
Responsible.
IBLE. Inflate.
Inflatable.
ABLE. Elige. Eligible. IBLE. Incred. Incredible. IBLE. Then you have navigate. Navigable. Reverse. Reversible. IBLE. IBLE. Okay. Only those who are giving answers, give it, ma'am. If everybody is shouting, the other students are not able to hear. Prefer. Preferable. Preferable. Okay, did we miss something? Navigate. Navigable. ABLE. Justify. Justifiable. IABLE. Invince. IBLE. So quickly once again, permissible IBLE, bear, bearable ABLE, break, breakable ABLE, audible IBLE, collapsible IBLE, Move, movable, able, illege, illegible, ible, advise, advisable, able, accept, acceptable, able, response, responsible, ible, inflate, inflatable, able, navigate, navigable, able, reverse, reversible, ible, then prefer, preferable, able, justify, justifiable, able, invince, invincible, ible, and the last two are capable, capacity, capable, able, neglect, negligible,
Negligible.
negligible, ible. So with this we come to the end of spelling of this lesson. Now over to conversation skills.